A La Maison de Provence, hand, and body liquid soap, pure coconut, 16.9 fluid ounces, 500 milliliters. Product overview description. Traditional French milled ultra moisturizing with coconut and argan oils SLS free liquid soap from France. What makes our A La Maison, just like home in French, so uniquely different from other liquid soaps? Our traditional recipe dates back to 1828 in France when Marseille soap masters developed the famous French milled process. A slow cooking and purifying process which transforms 100% natural vegetable oils into glycerin-rich, smooth, lathering soaps, softer to the skin than other liquid soaps also known as detergents. 100% vegetable oils. Long-lasting and lathering. No SLS, parabens or phthalates. Cruelty-free, biodegradable. For sustainability and biodiversity, palm oil-free. Other ingredients. Filtered water, coconut oil, natural vegetable glycerin, argan oil, tocopherol, vitamin E, plant extracts and/or essential oils. Warnings. Not tested on animals. For external use only. Keep at room temperature. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.